Hi friends, this is Ernest Felix here. I hope you're all fine. Today I would like to review about Gold Rush that is going to go live on the 12th at 10 a.m. EST. Since time immemorial, gold has been considered the safest investment bet. And in these prevailing times of a global wartime situation, a devastating pandemic, the stock market crashed. A lot of investors are quickly switching back to gold, to the old ways of trading. Now imagine if you can tap into these markets with tools that does all the heavy lifting for you and where everything is completely done for you. Everything is ready to use and make profits. It pays $15,000 plus every month. It is simple to set up. Just set your financial affiliate website and join the financial market takeover. No skills, knowledge or experience in gold or silver needed. Just 3 steps to start profiting from gold and silver niche. GolddRush paid users almost 11,000 to 15,000 in just 1 month, and it can be you. GolddRush makes us money non-stop, 24/7 even when you're sleeping. And it is also 100% legal and ethical, so there's nothing to worry about. And there's a 365-day money back guarantee. And they go one step further, the promoters, saying that if you don't make money out of GolddRush, then they are prepared to refund you back $300 for all the troubles you have taken to test the software. The funnel information: GolddRush, the front end is $17. You have everything you need to start earning in the front end itself. There's no need to buy any other OTOs. This will make you money. There's no add-on systems that is required to make money. And once you find that this is the product which is making you enough money, then you can go in for the unlimited version. The unlimited version is $39. GolddRush done for you is a OTO 2. If you want to go in for that, that makes around $97. Once you've made enough money, then I don't think you'll hesitate to go in for the other OTOs. GolddRush automation is $39 in OTO 3. GolddRush overnight traffic you get at $197, which comes in the form of OTO 4. GolddRush 1-hour profits, OTO 5. This makes 50 to 100 times faster GolddRush profits in 7 days, just in 60 minutes. GolddRush reseller OTO 6 is $39. This allows you to sell GolddRush and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. And GolddRush bundle is the OTO 7. Get access to 4 incredible apps for one-time low price. So these are the other OTOs that you can go in for and think of once you start making money, or if you get the confidence within the first or the second day, you can purchase the OTOs so that the prices don't go up once you decide to buy these OTOs. So let's check out my bonuses. Once you click the link below and buy it from me, here is bonus number 1, earnestly awesome bonus: 100 mobile website templates. Mobile website and templates are simple to set up and easy to deploy quickly. Bonus number 2, done for you logo designs. Get instant access to 38 high popping ready-made logos you can use for your products or business. Simply choose a logo, customize, and you are done. Bonus number 3 is an e-commerce traffic generator, a complete system for getting traffic without advertising. Simple and easy method to attract paying customers to your e-stores. Bonus number 4, how to build an email list from the scratch. How to build an email list with effective strategies. Bonus number 5, here's a fast action vendor bonus. You get 5 bonuses for acting fast and buying it today. This is applicable even for the front end. You need not have to buy the complete OTOs. Just with the front end, you get all my bonuses plus these 5 bonuses. That is $15 in 7 days with the done for you kit, $300 per day accelerator, free traffic machine, online store, weird and profitable niches, and 3K in 24 hours blueprint. Apart from this, if you are within the first 100 buyers, you also get the surprise bonuses from the vendor. These are the bonuses you'll be getting as earnestly awesome bonuses. Now let's check the sales video. We can get into the members area and see the demo. So you'll know how easy it is to operate and how to earn money.
Yikes! I just cashed out $26,491.37. Did I make this money selling online courses? No. Launching my online store to sell products? Heck no. Have you seen the news lately? The economies around the world are showing signs of recession. The stock markets are crashing every day. With the ongoing Ukraine-Russia war and the rising tensions between China and the US, even a 10-year-old could have warned us of the impact it was going to have on Wall Street. But again, whenever these markets go down, the gold market goes up. And that's where I made all this money recently. Yes, I have successfully built a completely set and forget system that once activated sends me over $15,000 every month. 100% hands-off without any tech skills, simply set and forget. Once we log in and set up the system, which only takes a few seconds, we are greeted with such payments over and over. And not just us, even our members are getting crazy results. Curious to know how we do this? Okay, all we do is turn on our brand new technology that creates a ready-to-profit gold and silver website completely hands-free. Next, it pulls in free traffic every day with the built-in secret system. We don't need to even lift a finger. Sounds illegal because it's so easy, right? Surprisingly, it's the combination of the oldest and most recent legal way to make money. All we do all day long is count our profits. Believe me, it is even easier than it sounds. No writing, no editing, no proofreading, no website building, none of the drama. Hundreds of dollars hit our accounts every few hours in pure profits. Due to warlike situations in some or the other part of the world, investors are switching back to the safest investment in the world since ages, gold and silver. And that for us simply means one more way of making money every single day apart from crypto. Want to get started? Here are just 3 steps you need to take. 1. Get access to GolddRush and log in from the device of your choice. 2. Click and create a DFY gold and silver website attracting millions of visitors every day with our secret system. 3. We get paid over $15,000 every month via PayPal or directly to our bank accounts. Soon, bank accounts start looking like this. All you need to know is how to connect to the internet and click a few buttons to work this magic. Making thousands of dollars over and over again has never been simpler before. And although there is no learning curve involved, we have created easy tutorials to make sure GolddRush users make exponential profits from the minute they get access. Now you must be thinking nobody in their right minds would sell such technology for less than $97 per month, and you're absolutely right. That is what we plan on doing a few months down the line. But at the moment, we want a few more people to cash in. The last couple of years have been pretty bad for most businesses, agencies, and freelancers. We want to help as many people as we can to support their families. This is why we are pricing GolddRush at only $17 during this special launch offer. But there's the catch. We also only want to help and support action takers, people who want to change things, people who want to make life better for themselves and for their loved ones, people who are willing to take action. So, We are going to keep increasing the price even during this launch after every few hours. This is to reward fast action takers. And to make this offer even more powerful, we are adding some of our best profit-making tools and resources as exclusive bonuses. Getting access to GolddRush can only mean one thing: more profits, better life. And to make you 100% comfortable with your purchase, we are adding a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Try GolddRush for a few days, make some profits, and see how it works out for you. In case you don't like the results, simply get your money back plus another $300 from us just for trying GolddRush. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get GolddRush and all of the exclusive bonuses at the lowest price right now, today. I'll see you inside.
Welcome to GolddRush, the world's first ever system that pays $15,000 plus every month by tapping into the $275.4 billion gold and silver industry. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 4 easy-to-follow steps, which practically anyone can do, and start enjoying your piece of that huge pie, starting today. Step 1. Research. GolddRush lets you find powerful domains like a pro for any niche, especially for the gold and silver market, by using an untapped source of powerful domains for search engine rankings. GolddRush also lets you find hot long-tail buyer keywords in a matter of seconds, and with just a click, with valuable data such as volume, CPC, competition, and trends, and be able to use them right away for creating your content. Step 2. Connect. GolddRush connects your website in seconds with just a few clicks. You simply need to click on Add Website. Add the site title and site URL, and click on the Add button, and that's it. And if you don't have a website just yet, we have you covered on that too, because we will provide you with a done-for-you template you will use to create your clean, professional-looking, traffic-pulling, and profit-generating gold and silver-related blog in just minutes, and with just a few clicks, saving you a ton of time and money. Step 3. Post. GolddRush has been prepared to create traffic-pulling and profit-generating content in seconds. Here, you can add your post title. Here go the post tags. Here, you can add your featured image. And here, you can add your post content. And if you would like your content to be 100% unique from any related content contained on the web, you can do so by using the spinner. Here, you can select your website. Decide post status. Select an existing category or create a new one. And here you have 3 different ways to add advertising media in your post, especially for adding your affiliate links. You can add HTML code, add a banner, and add a call to action text. And you can decide to add it on top or in the bottom of the post content. And finally, create your post. Awesome, the post has been created. Let's take a look at it. And there you have it. Let's click on it. This looks just awesome. There, you see the featured image, the post title, the post content, and the 3 different ads I decided to place around my content. And I created all of this awesome profit-generating content exclusively with GolddRush. And this is more than ready to send some profit-pulling traffic to it, right? GolddRush got you covered on that as well. Step 4. Advertise. GolddRush lets you place your blog in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in just a few clicks with a powerful traffic engine we have specially designed for this. We have designed a traffic generation app which is unique of its kind. This app lets you research among dozens, if not hundreds, of trendy images people are liking so you can get inspiration to build your own trendy image related to the affiliate offer you plan to promote. It lets you build your own image by using a really easy-to-handle image builder. And lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific. As you can see, the profit generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with GolddRush the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use the world's first ever system that pays $15,000 plus every month by tapping into the $275.4 billion gold and silver industry, then try GolddRush today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
So that's it, my friends. I hope you like my review. I hope you like the GolddRush concept. And if you like and if you like to buy it, please buy it from me by clicking the link below. Please subscribe to my video, share it with your friends, and also give a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye.